Hello everyone, this is Pan-Asia Frank speaking. Today I would like to take some minutes to introduce our compressor controller, its interface and display and option and how to set up parameters. Okay, let's start. This controller is very popular used in China market. So maybe you have seen it from our Chinese competitors in India. It is a very simple controller that's made up of 7 buttons: start button, stop button, back button, confirm button, move down button, move up button, and enter button. Okay, let's start the simulator. And start the compressor. Press the start button. And there are 6 seconds for start delta change. And there are another 15 seconds for loading delay. Okay, it's in load. And if we turn off this switch, you can see the pressure change. And we set 0.82 as a load pressure. So if we turn this value to a load, and if we decrease the volume, down to 0.6, the compressor will be in load. In load. Okay. And from the main interface, you can see 2 parameters: the pressure parameter and discharge temperature. So you can press this enter button and exchange the parameter interface. Of course, we can turn off this switch and change the temperature. Increase and switch the interface. And if you press the move down button, you can enter into the manual selection interface. You can see the run parameter, user parameter, and factor parameter, and mode parameter. And if you want to inspect the run parameter, you can press the enter button and into the interface. And you can see the motor current, fan current, and total run time, and total load time, and so on. And press the back button. You can, if you want to reset the user parameter, you can press the down button and enter into the menu. You can see the load pressure, unload pressure, fan start, fan stop, and motor delay time, fan delay time. And also there are some setting of our consumable parts, such as the oil filter, such as oil filter site 1 hour, oil separator filter, and air filter lubrication setting. For example, we set 0.6 as our default load pressure. If you want to change this value from 0.6 to 0.65, okay, let's do an illustration of this alarm. There are three indicators: the power, run, and alarm. And when we start training the introduction, I have already run the simulator for 15 minutes. So I set 1 hour for the oil filter setting. So currently it reached the maintenance cycle, and if you want to cancel the alarm, you should do the resetting. How to do the resetting? Press the move down button and enter into the user parameter. Find the oil filter reset time. Press the enter button. Input the password 9999 and confirm it. Press the enter button and change the value to 0. Confirm, then you can cancel the alarm. Of course, we set some alarms for our consumable parts, such as oil filter and air filter and lubrication and grease and so on. So again, if you want to change the load pressure from 0.65 to from 0.6 to 0.65, you should press the enter button and change the value and confirm, then it's okay. And also we have some, also this is a simple controller. We have some protection function, such as motor protection and supply phase sequence protection and outlet temperature protection. For example, if you want to enter into the factor parameter and input password 9320 and confirm it, you can see we set motor current and fan current. That means if the motor is normally run, if the current of the motor value over the setting value, it will be remind you to stop the compressor, and the compressor cannot run until you solve the problems. And also we reset pre-alarm temperature 105 degrees C and stop temperature 110 degrees C and stop pressure as 0.9 and so on. Of course, we have phase protection. That means if you connect the supply phase sequence connect to the controller in a different way, the the compressor cannot cannot run, and it will display the phase result on the screen, and it cannot run until you solve the problem. Because this simulator is one phase, so I disassemble this function. And please note the high voltage function and the lower voltage function. We set 400 voltage for the economical compressor. So maybe for Indian market, the factory will change the value or decrease or cancel the high voltage protection. It's easy for you to decrease to cancel the function. You can change the value to 40 and confirm it. That means you cancel the function. Okay. And next I will perform the fan. If I turn the switch about 85 degrees C, the fan will be on. And if I decrease the volume to 7.5, the fan will stop. And there's another function of the controller. We have a remote control. So you can press the enter button and into the user parameter, see the setting. The start mode, we set local as default. If you want if your customer want to use this function, you can change the setting. Input the password 9999 and save it, and change change the setting from local to far and confirm it. That means you can use this to control the compressor run or stop. Okay, let's stop. And there are another 30 seconds for the system stop delay. Okay, if you want to start the compressor and in your operation center, you can press the remote control to do a remote control. Okay, and for this function, you should connect the terminal number 3 terminal and to do the remote control. Okay, so that's all of the introduction of our compressor controller. And if you have any question, please send me email or by Java. Thank you.